last time I was here, they were putting the metal roof on. Now, everything else has been done. I cannot wait to get inside that house and just see the magic. Look at this house. How gorgeous has this come out? The landscape, the decking, the siding.
Mr. Joseph Mazza, did you feel welcome?
Welcome. I'm ready to sit down here, have a nice cup of coffee, and relax.
Isn't it great?
Yeah.
Now, this is a before and after.
This is a serious before and after. Remember, the front of the home, it was sloped down to the driveway.
Yeah.
Now we blew it up, and it's sloped the opposite way.
It's gorgeous.
The curb appeal that you brought to this home.
Yeah.
I mean, this living wall right here.
I know, isn't it a great touch?
Yeah.
And the thing is, the maintenance on this is so easy.
Okay.
You can literally irrigate it with a hose, or the rain will simply collect on it.
Exactly. And then you have this gorgeous walkway,
Yeah.
this massive garage door, the lighting on the outside.
I was very nervous about playing with the geometry and all the different window sizes and shapes, but I feel like it worked out amazing.
The outside looks this good, I could just imagine.
With the inside,
Yeah.
well, let me show you the inside.
Please, please.
All right.
Whoa!
Crazy, right?
You don't walk into that wall, right? There was a big wall here. This is inviting.
It's actually kind of beautiful.
Yeah.
We remember the fireplace.
It was stone.
Everything was so heavy in
Yeah.
here. I just reached for everything light. You wouldn't know what's so great is how many functions I have crammed into this one space. We have a library,
Right.
perfect place to read a book by your fire. There's an area to watch television. That's the TV. It can be art when you want it in chill mode. And it is a home office with a hidden feature.
Where'd it go? No way.
Isn't it cool?
That's so clean.
Now, one thing that I absolutely love about this house was the flooring that I selected. They're almost 11 inches, and they have this modern, contemporary type of vibe.
And they're durable, which is very important too, especially by a main entrance walking in. Before, we only had 2 skylights.
Yes.
Now we have 6.
That natural light is just flooding in.
This is absolutely phenomenal.
This area felt so small. Now it's wide open, fresh, light, and airy. No matter where you're standing, you're a part of the action. The old kitchen was so dated, and I wanted to keep it mid-century modern, so I went with the flat face, flat panel cabinetry. It looks like we don't have that much storage because everything's kind of low-lying, there's nothing on the walls, but when you open the cabinetry and you see how deep these drawers are,
Oh, yeah.
it's next level. Now, the appliance game in here is sick, too. This dishwasher has an additional 3rd rack.
Ah,
Yep.
that makes life easy.
Yes. And then the refrigerator, I love it. It's a 4-door refrigerator. My problem is I have that drawer freezer.
Me too.
And everything is stacked on top of another. So if I wanted to get to a pizza that I bought a month ago, I have to move everything out.
Right.
With that solves all of my problems. And it's a very, very sleek design.
Neat and organized.
And organized.
Neat and
That is
organized.
what I wanted to go for with this house. Smart plugs.
I love these.
Yes, just like that monitor. It hides away when you don't want it.
We have a smart oven with 7 cooking modes.
It offers true convection cooking.
Okay.
It also has an air fryer mode.
So you don't have to have that
You
big,
don't have
bulky...
to have, no. It's another way of being smart about how you're living.
Of course.
Let me show you the hardest working pantry in the business. There is so much in here. Oh no,
Ooh,
water dispenser.
it takes up no room. It's flush against the wall almost.
We have this supercharged beverage station.
Including a blender for smoothies, a grain cooker, and an espresso machine.
You have your microwave over here, tons of storage on the top.
I love it.
Joe, I also installed a compost machine.
This right here?
Yes. The great thing about it is that it works overnight.
And then you can just take it and put it right outside in your vegetable garden.
Exactly.
Smart ideas coming from you.
Smart.
Very smart. Very smart.
All right, so this is what I am calling this ultimate sleep sanctuary. And
Okay.
you, my friend, are about to see why. It's restful.
Yeah.
It is a retreat.
This perimeter light, ceiling LED light.
Yes.
It's so cool.
And coming up with different layers of lighting is part of creating a serene sleep environment. Joe, do you remember what it used to look like in here?
I remember it being boring, bland, and blah, blah, blah.
Yes. Isn't it great? Texture, touchable softness. We made amazing use of the space.
I see that.
Like supercharged closets. They're massive and they're functional.
Yeah, and it's sleek.
All of the curtains, room darkening,
Oh, yeah.
voice activated Roman shades. But the star of the show is this smart bed. This bed has so many features. No two people sleep alike.
Yep.
So we can adjust our different firmness and softness settings separately.
Okay.
Not only that,
It has temperature balancing.
features.
Somebody is gonna win this smart home 2024
Oh yeah.
and sleep like they've never slept before.
Yes. So you remember how disjointed the bathroom was?
Yeah. Ugly.
We blew it all open and we started with a floor plan that made sense. There's 2 showers in here and then a soaking tub. Added some gorgeous hardware
Ooh.
and a pretty vanity.
That's the long vanity.
And there's a ton of storage.
There you go.
Every square inch in here, it just works.
Yeah.
And we can't forget about this powder room between the primary suite and the kitchen.
This is nice.
All right, I'm gonna show you upstairs.
The stairs look completely different.
Do you remember how enclosed this was? Now it's wide open. The natural light is pouring in.
These windows are huge.
And we've created a lush indoor garden underneath.
This light, me and Laura glued 2 of the glass pieces.
Did you really?
Yeah! I built you a sports lounge.
Oh, yeah.
This room was so boring before.
This is where I'll be hanging out right here.
This, my friend, is a television.
Oh, no.
Yep.
I didn't even realize that.
Come in here, catch the games, grab a snack over here. You have your beverage center.
So you nailed this room, okay?
All right, let's go see more. I'm gonna show you this laundry room. So Joe, we took this space and made it into a laundry room. Another splash of color and another design trick that I used, I took the flooring and I ran it up the wall just to soften it up and warm this space up a little bit.
Smart.
Now, I put an extension on
Okay.
for the laundry room.
Okay.
So in here, it's just your normal
Oh.
closet.
All right.
I have a hamper right here.
There you go.
And my absolute most favorite thing ever, we have this pull-out ironing board.
How convenient is that? I legit iron my clothes all the time.
I forgot about the last cool thing.
What?
It's a vacuum. Sucks up the mess.
Love that. Smart.
Smart.
Again.
So this bathroom, I'm really excited about. I love the color in here. The tile work. Aren't they gorgeous?
They are.
How they're laying incorporates this modern feel, which really goes with the mid-century modern theme of the house.
We kept nothing from the original bathroom.
This looks good.
Joseph?
Yes, Tiffany.
Ooh,
Whoa.
look at the ceiling. I had a local artist come in and paint these.
It takes a boring room and it gives so much personality.
We're creating that room-to-room seamless harmony through color.
To me, this room is, once again, relaxing,
Yep.
chill, and the inside, outside, outside, inside.
Yes. And Atlanta is known as the city in the forest.
Is it really?
Yeah. So why not? So this is the final guest room.
Oh.
Yep. So what this is called is color blocking. I drenched the pink everywhere, but to accent a certain feature or a piece of architecture, what you want to do is split it up and then paint it 2 different colors.
And it will completely transform the room.
It's a great way to delineate space.
I like that.
Now I know you're gonna really love the garage.
All right, Joe. One of the hubs of the house. It's stylish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Smart storage continues. We have the lift. Let me show
That's
you
amazing.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, holiday decorations. It's the perfect place to store them, isn't it?
Love that.
We have a convenient charger where you can charge your electric vehicle.
And then, of course, the wall of tools.
The battery lifespan on these, especially right here with this lawnmower,
Okay.
this can last about 70 minutes.
Okay.
If the battery runs out,
Yeah.
you have multiple backup batteries.
But gosh, you're drooling right now, so
Yeah.
I'm excited for you.
Wipe it down, wipe it
I'm
down.
glad I'm impressing you.
Always, I have to see the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Look at it.
Absolutely beautiful,
Do you remember what it was before?
broken down and ugly.
Yes.
Literally broken down. Look at this backyard now.
I know. The decking is one of my favorite things. I mean, it's virtually maintenance proof.
And it doesn't warp,
Right.
and it's easy to clean.
Yes.
And little kitties can come out here barefoot, they don't get the splinters.
Right.
This area right here is the ultimate gathering spot. And these fire pits are smart. The flames will even respond to music.
I'm noticing one thing at the corner of my eye, and
What?
that is that grill.
I tried to get the granddaddy of all grills. It has this rotisserie feature.
Yeah.
One more thing I love about this area of the outdoor kitchen is the pass-through.
Yeah.
It makes everything convenient. There's more around the corner. This is the more private area. Imagine just walking out of your sleep sanctuary into this.
And you know what's also nice? The privacy wall. Got the airflow that can come through at the openings, and you even put in the shade canopy to keep things cool. Everything in this house allows you to be safe, calm, cool, collective, you know, and enjoy yourself.
Would you like to be the next winner? Enter daily at hgtv.com/smart for a chance to win this fully furnished home, the all-electric EQE SUV from Mercedes-Benz, and $150,000.